What is up, guys? Blim here, and today we have some of the most interesting tournament replays. I'm pretty sure you guys have never seen anything like this. So, this is a double Soyu replay between Mamalu from our team, Third Weeks, and TT Triple TX from Team Pucci and us, and this is for the best leaderboard tournament, which is also called the BLT, and this is week 4. Yeah. So, you won't find double Soyu content in my channel, but this replay is such a replay. I mean, I just had to share. You remember the situation? Remember the instances like when you're just totally down, you're hanging by a thread, and over that people are throwing stones at you. This is a similar kind of situation which Mamalu faced during this match. And just look what happens. I'm not gonna spoil. Just watch the match and see what happens. You guys will be just mind shocked, mind shocked. Yeah, just watch the replay. So I am not gonna give any opinions because I don't know what to say regarding double Soyo matchups and stuff. So just watch the replay. So here everyone is cheering. So yeah, cheering and stuff. So the comments are also very interesting. Let's see what happens. Goes for the protect. Let's up the waves. QDM goes for the DD turn one. Holy shit. And this Rebomb is gonna take the secret fight, not get burned because of the ability. Goes to Rillaboom. I think this QDM is gonna pick the Rebomb. Yep. Just like that, Mamalu is down. Goes for the stomping trend. It's gonna do much to Rillaboom. Then he goes to the cart. Goes for the fake out on the Entei. I think this Kyurem is gonna pick the Rillaboom right now. And this card is gonna go Tailwind and yep. He forgets. He forgets that Entei has enough focus. He can't get flinched. He forgot. Then he faked out the Entei and now he is already 3-6 down. And let me show you some comments here. Let me show you some comments. So here Mamalu is really down. He says OMG is so bad and idiot. And look at this guy, this joker, this clown phantomistics or something. His name is even incorrect. See, uh, he says he agrees that he's saying he's calling someone an idiot as well. See, he points out that he's an idiot, and he calls TDD already a goat. The match is even match hasn't even finished. This is a game of Pokemon RNG, right? So before even finishing the match, he has started dancing. This guy Richard, this clown Richard, he's saying something in Italian, which he says that it translates to an idiot. See, let's show you that. I will show you this as well. Yeah, see. Uh, nope. So he is already 3-6 down. He is already 3-6 down. Now let's see what happens. Let's proceed. Goes for the protect. Goes for the 1,000 waves. I think this Blastoise switches out. Yeah, it is. Kyurem is not gonna take the damage, and Blastoise is not gonna take much from. Yeah, and see this clown. This clown says that this guy SWB, I don't know his SWB, taught us to play Pokemon this month, so I can teach you Italian word. Mamalucho means idiot. So our our guy Mamalu, yeah, this word is reflecting to his name Mamalucho, which means idiot in Italian. So he's calling his opponent an idiot. Just look at this clown. These two clowns, Richard Paper and this phantom clowns, they're calling this guy an idiot. I will give some respect to his opponent Triple TX because he's saying them not to be mean. So yeah, I will give some respect to TTX. But yeah, these two clowns already dancing, started dancing. Yeah, and why won't they dance? Look at these already 6-3 down. So let's just see what happens. Yeah, and now okay, so this is SWB Silver Blue guy. So this is these he is the source. He is teaching everyone this all this stupidity and stuff. I don't know how good is he. I don't know what his achievements are, what not his, but yeah. I've been referring to teaching someone fake out on an inner focus because I have done that before too. Okay, I don't know what he's saying. Is he trying to be funny or something? But yeah. As you see, these guys are trolling instantly, saying him an idiot and stuff. Yeah, to our guy. But the match isn't over, right? Just see what happens. See what happens. These three clowns are trolling our guy. So just see what happens. Yeah. But yeah, now this Kyurem picks up the Zygarde. And now just look at the situation here. He brings on the Komoin. Now Triple TX playing awesome, playing just superb. He's already in 6-2 lead. Just look, and he has a boosted Kyurem. And he just has a Komoho which is gonna die to the Kyurem, and this Heatran is gonna die to the Blastoise. So things are looking pretty over. So let's just see what happens. Switches the Blastoise to Rillaboom because Rillaboom is kinda unnecessary. This Kyurem goes for the protect. Okay. This Rillaboom is gonna live, but Komoho goes for the iron defense. I think this Kyurem is gonna pick something now. Komodo goes for the protect, goes for the fake out on the Heatran. I think, okay, this was a nice protect by the Komodo. But now this Icicle Speed isn't going to do much. He switches out to the DNC. This Heatran is going to go for the Heat Wave, I think. Tries the double protect, but it fails. Okay, this isn't doing much. Gets the 2 hits, I 3 hits. 4 hits citrus, eruption, does a lot to the Kyurem. Okay, this was a misplay on his part, going for the protect. I think he's gonna go for the this Kyurem is he protecting. Try to pick it off with the spear. I think this Kyurem is gonna die. Finally he gets a kill. This DNC is gonna go for the trick room. Webs with trick room, it's gonna make matters more worse. This Entei is in. Entei is back. This hit okay goes for the body press on the Entei. This Entei goes for the fire, trying to burn the Komo, but luckily he doesn't get the burn. Goes for the body press on the DNC. This DNC is gonna get cooked. And this Entei didn't take anything. I think this AV Entei, it took 0 from the Earth Power. Blastoise is back. I think to fake out something or go for the surf for Muddy Water. It can do anything. Goes for the fake out on the Komo. This Entei is trying to burn. Okay, tries to kill the Heatran, but it fails. This Komo, I think Heatran goes. He had to go for the double protect. Okay, this Blastoise heals up the life dew intake, makes matters more worse. Now just look the situation here. Yeah. Goes for the body press, didn't kill. Now he's 4-1 down. Yeah. And Trick Room is up. Yeah, 4-1 down. Trick Room is up versus a Blastoise and full team remaining, full team. And already they're trolling our guy Mamalu. So let's see what happens. So, yep, he switches out to the Rillaboom. And this Entei, I think he's trying to go for the burn. Luckily, does he get the burn? Does he get the burn? No, he doesn't get the burn. But this was a misplay. I think he should have killed the Entei, but still, Rillaboom gone. Okay. I think this Toys is gonna come in again. This I think he should protect always, scouting the fake out. He goes to the card on the protect, I think, or did he go for the body press? He goes for the fake out. Okay, goat. Goes for the yeah. Fake out. Now this Komo is a threat. It's at +2. This Komo is gonna pick a kill now. Goes for the follow me. This Blastoise is gonna die. This card is gonna set up the tailwind, maybe I think. Sets up the tailwind. This Entei is gonna try to burn, but the things are looking dire. Things are looking dire. Yup, things are looking dire now for him. He goes for the Sacred Sword because it cuts through boots. It doesn't do much. Entei is gonna burn. Okay, Entei finally gets the burn. Goes for the body press, doesn't kill the cart, but yeah, this grassy terrain is helping this Komo. Kinda Carly the Komo. This grassy terrain is kinda helping the Komo. Goes for the sacred sword, doesn't kill. This Entei goes for the tantrum, doesn't kill. I think he's gonna pick the cart. Okay. Okay, now things are looking interesting. Entei versus Komo. Let's see who wins. Entei versus Komo. Burn Komo. Goes for the E speed, goes for the E speed, goes for the body press, doesn't kill, doesn't kill. Oh my god. Oh my god, tailwind goes off. Entei slow. What happens? Goes for the E speed, going for the crit, it doesn't kill. Oh my god, holy shit! Holy shit! What just happened right now? What just happened? This Kamaho obliterated the entire team. Let's look at the replay without interrupting. Let's look at the replay again from start. Let's look without any interruption. Let's make it fast again. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Let's make it hyper fast. See. Yeah. 1 6 6 5 down. Let's count. 6 4 down. 6 3 down. 6 3 down. 6 2 down, 6 2, 6 2 down, 6 2 down, 6 2 down. The Carlo is here. Carlo says, "Wait, Carlo. Carlo went to get pizza. Carlo is back with the pizza. Carlo, our pizza delivery guy. Carlo is back with the pizza. Carlo has brought the pizza for Triple TX and for every one of them, for the guys who are trolling him. Carlo is back with pizza." Carlo is serving pizzas. These pizzas are too hot for TTX to handle. Hot pizzas, serving hot pizzas, too hot to handle. Carlo is giving pizzas, but they can't eat anymore. They are full. Now Carlo is choking them with pizzas. Carlo is shoving their mouth with pizzas, choking them. He's choking. Carlo is choking them with pizzas. Carlo the Comoho. Now, yeah, Carlo the Como. Our pizza delivery guy, Carlo the Como, full of pizzas. Just look at pizzas on his guy. Full of pizzas, full of pizzas. In his tail, in his body, full of pizzas. Now, where are these clowns? They were talking so much. Let's see. Idiot, he says, idiot, TTT goat. He calls, this Richard guy calls him an idiot. And where are these clowns? Never to be seen. Not even apologizes. Now this is what happens. Like when you start dancing even before the match finishes, this is what happens. You start dancing, yeah. And now let's move on to another replay. This is very interesting as well. This is for LCPL Week 2. So Kaithir is playing from our team, Rollies, Team Rolly Colis. So LCPL is the biggest tournament in LC. And Chloe is from, I don't know from which team he is because I am not very good with team names. So let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. This because Kaithir has a set, such a funny set, which I will say later, but see what happens. Let's just go by the flow. Yeah, I think I'll make it fast. So normal games happening. Abra goes for the sub. Diglett goes for the beat up, trying to kill the Abra. I think this Abra is gonna die. This was a huge misplay by Chloe. Yeah, picks up the Abra. Kaithir is in a good lead. Now goes to the Trapinch. This Trapinch is really bulky. It's gonna pick in the Diglett for sure. Yeah, goes to the Mienfu. Moraine on the knocked. Okay, Evaluate it's knocked off. This is good progress. Goes for the turn on the Moraine on the Fungus. So knocks off. Now he goes to the Mienfu. Now, okay, this Mienfu turns. I think this is gonna get trapped again. Kaiti tries to go for the rocks. Goes for the earthquake, kills it off. Goes to the Mienfu. High jump kick misses. This Trapinch is gonna go for the earthquake. I think it shouldn't kill. It's gonna do a lot of damage. He goes for the turn. So goes to the Wallaby. Earthquake is not gonna. I think he's gonna turn again. Sack goes to the fungus. Oh god. Yeah. So okay. Okay. So this finally this Magnemite is gonna pick a kill up with flash cannon because nothing can leave the flash cannon. And now here, here, the Scraggy is in versus the Magnemite. Scraggy versus Magnemite. Just see what happens. Goes for the flash cannon, gets the juice, goes for the DD, goes for the DD. Now this Scraggy is looking scared. He says Moxie. Pops the Magnemite with the high jump kick. Pops the Magnemite. Goes to the Moraine. Is he not coming? Knock? Nope. Goes for the high jump kick again on the Moraine. Tries to burn it. Nope. Doesn't get the burn. Sorry, not today. Knock? Nope. Again goes for the high jump kick. Nope. Now, and this 2.5x Scraggy versus Wallaby, right? I had done this calc. I had done this calc. So I will show you the calc. Wallaby, Juice, Pivot, and Scraggy. DD Sweeper. Attack at +3. Knockoff does minimum 65%. Knockoff does minimum 65%. And this is 53. Knockoff is a guaranteed kill. See. Bop! Knockoff. Nope. We are knocking off. Nope. +3. Now let's see the comments here. Duncan, this guy Duncan says we are hitting, we are hitting. But Kaithir has other plans. Look what Kaithir is gonna do. Kaithir hits him plus crits him, and just like that, bop 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 bop. He high jump kicked a Moraine. He high jump kicked. He high jump kicked a Wallaby. He high jump kicked a Onyx. He high jump kicked the Magnemite. He high jump kicked the entire universe. And later, he finds out that this Craggy doesn't have knockoff. This Craggy has this Craggy has someone is saying drain punch, someone is saying protect. I have never seen anything like this. This Craggy high jump kicks on the last turn. They were praying for a miss, but he says I'm gonna hit him and crit him. He crits the Onyx. Mono fighting Scraggy destroys Chloe. This is the wackiest shit I've ever seen. These two, this game, the Carlo the Como delivering pizzas and this Scraggy kicking the hell out of everyone. Yeah, two crazy replays. So, guys, this is gonna be it. So, never start dancing or never insult anyone. You should never insult anyone, even if they win or lose. Never insult anyone. And yeah, especially unless the match is over, it is just clean. Match is over. Someone has lost. Yeah, the game has ended. Then you can say GG and yeah, GG and be happy for a win. But yeah, if you if you be like them, if you be like these jokers, if you be like these jokers, then you're gonna make YouTube. Then you're gonna be in YouTube. Then you're gonna be in YouTube. So this is gonna be the really interesting and fun replays for today, guys. And guys, go to 1K like and sub to my channel for not just high level content but fun content like this as well. So bye bye, guys. From your guy Blim. Stay safe, guys.